Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, Sean's Specialties. So today I'm making a Caprese skewer, and what you need for this recipe is cherry tomatoes from my organic garden, basil from my organic garden, and I bought some mozzarella balls and I marinated it in extra virgin olive oil and Italian seasonings, and I just have some balsamic over here. I just like to have a little drizzle, it's the perfect combo. And I have a little surprise at the end, and let's get started. So first we get our skewer from my local grocery store, and we put it on the tomato, and now you get basil, and you put it on, and a mozzarella ball, and you do that 2 times. You put the tomato, put the basil, and the mozzarella ball. And I'm going to do another one of those, guys. Me and my family, we're having a special dinner tonight, and I'm just making a lot of appetizers so that we can have a really fun dinner. And my garden is really growing. It has a lot of stuff in here, and I decided to do this recipe because I am overloading with cherry tomatoes, and we're going to soon have cherry tomatoes all over the place. My mom keeps eating cherry tomatoes. I think she'll turn into one. And there we go. It's our second skewer. And now we're going to do the same thing, but I'm going to put on something special at the end. So tomato, basil, and mozzarella, and tortellini. And here, I just have my tortellini, and now we do it again. Tomato, basil, and mozzarella, and then the tortellini. And we're going to do this 2 times, and then we are going to, ta-da! And one more time. And this is great for a little special family dinner like I said I was having with my family tonight. Or just like a snack or an appetizer. And this is really good. My mom will totally love this because she loves cherry tomatoes, as I said, and so does my dad. And here's the tortellini. And now get some of my balsamic, and I'm gonna drizzle it. Now you gotta be careful when you pour balsamic because it comes out fast. Just do a light drizzle. And there we go. And I'm gonna show it to you guys. Here it is. This is what it looks like, and I bet my family will love this. Try this because this is very good, and remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more of my videos, and have a nice day, guys. Bye.